Well, friends, all I can say is hallelujah. It's finally here. First hunt, first bow hunt, crossbow hunt of the season. Takes a lot of stuff when you're filming, and for the first time to get the tripod into the blind and to get everything else ready. But anyway, I think we can carry it all with one trip. That's my plan. Okay, I think I'm loaded up and ready to go, and we'll get started. Okay, we finally got set up. We're trying to be quiet now. It's a little warm. I wish it was a little cooler. But anyway, we're gonna see what we can see this afternoon. It's the first time in the blind. Alright, Alan here. We're back in the blind. It's been 1 week later. Last week we didn't have any luck. We set till about 6:30, 6:45. Didn't see anything except for a squirrel. So we're back out here today. It's Friday, October the 25th. And we're going to see what comes out today. I was a lot better about getting in the blind today, a little more quiet. I used my scent control, walked quietly. So last week was sort of the first time, and just was kind of, I guess I'd forgotten how to be quiet and didn't use my scent protection or anything. So we'll see if it makes a difference. So we're gonna sit back. It's about I think it's about 2:30, maybe 2:45, and let things settle down. Hopefully we'll see something tonight. So let's see what happens. They just seem to be grazing around. I'm hoping they're gonna come on up this way. I just took a shot with the crossbow, my very first shot. It was kind of a medium-sized doe. I never did hear her crash, but anyway, we're gonna give it a little bit of time. We're gonna go back and look on the camera and see if I can slow it down and see what the arrow did. Anyway, it's pretty exciting. She never knew I was here, so anyway, we're gonna have to go and see if we can't find this deer. Yeah. Okay, we're out of the blind, and we're gonna go down here and see if we can find the arrow. I heard something even just moving around out behind the blind. So we're going to walk down here and see if we can find the arrow. And looking at the footage on the camera, it looked like the shot, as soon as that fired, that deer ducked down. It looked like it might have caught her right in her neck. It was really hard looking on the camera, but anyway, we're going to go down here, see if we can find the arrow and see if it's any blood on it, see what we can tell. So stay tuned. Absolutely no blood on this arrow, so I think that doe is gonna live to eat another day. I did lose the part of the fletching on there though. So anyway, looks like wasn't that as successful with our first shot, but we're gonna keep trying. Yep, gonna keep trying. Well, we might have missed the first time, but we didn't miss that time. That was a solid hit. I could see the arrow hit just at the spot I aimed. This deer messed around and just kept giving me opportunity, so I decided to take it. Anyway, now the work begins. I got to find him, track him, field dress him, and then get him to the butcher. So anyway, come along, stay tuned. Well, just as soon as I started walking out there to start tracking a deer, I looked up and I saw 2 more deer standing there looking straight at me. So I ducked back behind the blind. I think I'm gonna go get the truck, and I don't want to spook them out anymore. I think one of them was actually a buck, so I guess I should have waited a little longer, but anyway, that's how it goes. So we gotta figure out what we're gonna do now. If we're gonna come back and try to get him tonight, or come and get him in the morning. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see. All right, well,
We finally found her. My buddy Matt came in, helped me follow the blood trail. Well, this is the first kill with the crossbow. My buddy Matt offered to do the gutting for me. I appreciate that. He's done a bunch of them, so he'll probably do it while I'm thinking about it. How many of these things you done, Matt?
I've probably killed 50 or so deer in my time.
I shot one earlier today, and that deer ducked and missed completely and went in the ground. And I'm kind of surprised this one went in the neck. I thought it was in the right behind that front shoulder. Is that knife in? You got any? Is it sharp?
Yeah.
I wasn't real sure if it would be or not. You can't beat when your friend leaves his deer stand to come help you track one in the dark and then gut it for you too.
That's how sportsmen do.
That's right.
It's just so much easier to do that while she's hanging, and you can just open it up.
Yeah, and then get it good.
You know, peel the fur away from it.
Right.
And so, yeah, that's about all I do when I knock the guts out in the field. I mean,
Great day. That was a near miss right there, wasn't it?
yeah. Yeah.
Oh, but he did the trick.
It happens to the best of them, though. Yeah,